chasing shadows beneath the fading sky. The world feels heavy and time moves slow, but in the quiet there's a place I know. Breathe in deep, let the silence grow. Close your eyes, feel the river flow. Though the night may seem too long, every whisper sings a healing song. Ooh. Let the whispered skies remind you that every storm will fade in time. Hold the night, let it guide you to the dawn where your heart can shine. Rest your soul in the soft of the rain. Even broken wings can rise again. Walk through the dark